Hey teachers, are you tired of print handwriting programs that leave your students with the same old struggles? Look no further. These video lessons and practice pages use visual cues that remind students how to start and form each letter. This video introduces the symbols and types of letters and is sure to get your students excited to follow along. Click the link in the description box below so you can check it out. I hope you enjoy the lesson.
Hi friends! We're going to learn some symbols to help us remember how each letter touches the lines. The top line is called the sky line. The middle line is called the fence line. The grass line is the bottom line where most letters sit. And the area below the grass line is the dirt area. Now we're going to learn about different types of letters. Not all letters touch the same lines. Some letters touch the sky line and sit on the grass line. These are called tall letters. See how they touch the sky line and sit on the grass line? They take up all the space above the grass line. Some letters touch the fence line and sit on the grass line. These are called short letters because they take up less space on the lines. The top of each letter touches the fence line and the bottom sits on the grass line. More than half of all lowercase letters are short letters. Some letters touch the fence line and then dig down into the dirt with their tail. These are called hanging letters because their tails hang down below the grass line where most letters sit. There's not a dirt line on your handwriting worksheets. We just remember that anything below the grass line is the dirt area. Only 5 letters hang down into the dirt. Not all letters are made the same way. When we learn to write letters correctly, we learn them based on how they're formed. Some letters start at the top of the letter and go straight down. These are called drop from the top letters. Some letters start below the fence line and curve. These are called Circle C letters. Some letters start at the top of the letter and go down, but then they trace back up the same line. These are called slip down and slide up letters. Some letters are made differently than any other letter. These letters are called crazy curves because they do not start the same or follow the pattern of other lowercase letters. Some letters have lines that do not go straight up and down or side to side. These are called leaning lines because some lines slant to the left or to the right. We will learn special symbols that will help us remember how each letter starts and how to move our pencils. Stars remind us where to start each letter. Some letters start at the sky line. Some start at or just below the fence line. And some letters start in unusual places, so it's important to remember to start at the star. Almost all lowercase letters start at the top of the letter. Letters never start at the bottom. Most letters are written without lifting our pencils, but for some letters we have to lift our pencils. White dots remind us that we need to lift our pencil, and gray dots let us know where to place our pencils to finish the letter. Now you're ready to practice writing the lowercase letters, and I'll see you in those video lessons.